Hi guys, thank you very much for joining. And my name is George Pay, and I'm the person who created these classes for you. I hope you enjoyed all these classes and could benefit from them. I really hope that. And this is, it's not really related to university degrees or high school diploma or whatever. You can be anybody. You can have an elementary school education, you can have high school education or university education, doesn't really matter. Programming is fantastic because it teaches you how to think logically, and it's really for everybody. So I hope you enjoyed that, and in the future I'm planning to continue. Please write down your thoughts below this short video and put it on YouTube. So when I create a next course in the future, I will know what subject you are really interested in. But last time we had a bug, and I am happy that this bug was there because I want to show you how we can fix a bug right now, and then you can see how it is in life. Because in life it's not that easy. When you write a software, the software is initially full of bugs, or there are a lot of bugs there which need to be corrected. And as soon as the bugs are corrected, then the software can be deployed on the server. So let me show you this. We had a bug here, and if you go onto the entry component.html. So the problem was that here we had three ng submit directives, you remember last time, and I brought them down to here, to a click event. So I just changed the ng submit event to a click event, and this is now the register new user. So I brought it over here, and I also brought the reset form into a click event. So it became a click event, and the only ng submit event is the write out at the moment. So now what changed? Because I can just show you what really changed. So if you are here in the application, and in the application we have the F12 button. So in Google Chrome, that's the developer tool. And if you go on to the network tab here, then you can follow, what kind of backend call is performing. So if you, for example, click on the create a new entry, right? You can see nothing here, so nothing happened. Just we jump to the other component. But if I put something right here, let's say I'm typing in a name like Dino, right? And the address should be like New York, okay? And the email should be dino@hotmail.com. And when I submit this, you see, I can see here in the network tab that this register was called. So if I want to check what went out, I can see here is the body. So that's what I sent out to the backend. But the problem was before, when I clicked on the cancel button, the register took place again, and it should not have taken place, because that was the problem. That generated the empty line in the database. So let's see if I clear this now with this, and I click on the cancel, you can see nothing happens. So that's why it's good, because there should not be a backend call with the cancel button. So if I check now what is in the database, and I come back here and I click on the view all entries, see now everything is here. Also Dino, what we put here, where is the Dino? Can you see that? It's right here. So Dino is here. Okay, but the thing is that, if I bring over this one back to here, to the ng submit, so let me take this out from here and put it back there, right? So I will press a Control X, right? And then I will put this back here. And I put the ng submit right here. It was like this. So I'll put it back. And it's there now. And then when I save the whole thing, so I click on Save All. So I change this. And now you cannot see the register new user here below. So when I get back here to the website, and then I just clear this, and I jump over to the View All Entries, so then I can see the all users was called here in the Network tab. But the problem is now, when I click on the Create a New Entry, nothing happens, so the backend was not called yet. So I will just clear it again. And now when I click on the Cancel button, somehow the backend is called. And that was exactly the problem. Because now, look, clicked on Cancel, you see here's the register. So the backend was called with empty data. You see, nothing is here. And now the database included a blank line. So when I click on View All Entries, you see here is the blank line, and that was wrong. So that means it should not be here. And that's why I need to delete this. So I delete that. And when I refresh, so it's gone. It's not there anymore. And if we make this correction again, so we will bring this back to here, then this problem will not occur again. So it's gone. So let me cut this out. So I'll cut this out with Control X, and now bring over here. So, and I will just put it right here, and I say this is a click event, right? So then I fixed the problem, and that's bug fixing. It's called bug fixing. This is a very common thing after development. So the developers, for example, who develop the software, they will send the software to the testing department. And the testing department must check the software and find the bugs. And that's what we have done right now. So I will save this again. And then if we check it again, this problem should not be there anymore. So I will clear this and then click on View All Entries. And then I click on Create a New Entry. And then basically when I click on Cancel, let me clear this first. When I click on Cancel, you see nothing happens. So when I check the database, you see no blank line is there anymore. So that was the issue. So we have found, I'm pretty happy. And you know, I'm very happy that I could show you what the real problem was here and how we can fix it. So we have done the same in the update component HTML. So we also changed here and brought this click event down right here. So the update user is here, also the reset form is here. The only thing here is the ng submit write out function. So thank you guys for watching these videos and these tutorials, and I am very positive and very happy that actually you will be successful in the future and you can use this knowledge in your own life. So take care and see you next time. Bye bye.